Jack, you're in daddy's car? Huh? Wow! Jack is in daddy's car, bye. Wow! Jenny, put this blanket there. Tignan niyo si Jack, sayang-saya. Honey, is the lock now? The door?
Got no lid on there now.
What is it?
The bin. Wasn't the food in food bags?
The food?
Yeah, was it in food bags?
No, it is. The other one, but the other one's not. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Have you noticed it begins with B?
Yeah.
Beepers and bashers.
They're just the same, no?
Yeah.
It plays in your mind.
Beepers and
Beep,
bashers.
beep. Jack, Jack. Are you gonna beep, beep, Jack? Katabi akong bata dito, oh. Where's mommy's phone? Do you know? Do you know where it is? Oh, no, Jenny. Can I fix your hair? Why not? Dirty, oh? Bugot. Lodi, siya magpa-utros kanyang buhok, oy. Bugot ka, ay. Hinanap niya pala yung phone ko. Thank you. Just fix it, ba? Jenny, ay. Si Jenny, ayaw na. Natulog siya balik, uy. It's 3:11. It's not yet time. So we have to wait 4 minutes. No, what's lang? No, what's lang? That one. It's moving. It's crawling like a pig. No. No. Natakot siya. Ang dahon. Maganda ang view dyan. Kaso lang, itong mga balay-balay nila, parang activity nila ba? Yung magtuhog sila. Pero, gikuan na, gimolds na. Kaya sige mag-ulan. Nya, unsa man ang atop ani nga. Parang kuan lang man yung atop nito. Iwan ko anong atop nito. Uy, oh. Is it time? Is she there? Is she there, Jennifer? Is she out? Jenny. Oh, patay. Buak na. What is it? Stand there, babe. Mommy will take you photo. 1, 2, 3. Jessica. Jenny. Smile.
There is a spider.
Ala ka lang. Dali na kayo. Nag-ulan na lang.
What?
Ulan na. Dali.
There's two spiders.
Yeah? That's very nice. I like that flower na. What's that flower called?
Blossom.
Blossom?
Because it's pink.
Is it?
Okay, I don't know. Mommy, I
Right.
don't know what it is.
Sorry. Come on, come on. I thought she's going there.
What?
The woman. She nearly bumped. I thought she's going the other side. Careful lang. It might hurt your finger lang.
It's wet.
Yeah, it's wet. Let's go. Look. It's so busy today lang. Busy. See this one? The car seat is in front. Like Jack. Strawberry. Arbista.
Oh, so she eat the apple.
Daddy.
Harvest the strawberry. Okay, sayang. Ano na siya. Namatay. Mga lata na. Baby daw. Where? That one. This one, you said.
Yeah. Baby orange trees.
They're not. Fun. Ay, habis na strawberry. Lata man. Lata. Kanya ko videographer. Hindi makakabalong video ano eh.
It's a video, isn't it?
Saya nga ani nangakuan siya, nangalata kay wala na mo gipansin. Oh, daghan kaayo ay lata. Lapa o. Napa o nangadaot siya, nasira na. Nasira. Daghan kay nasira. Second harvest ko sa strawberry. Honey? The second harvest. Ganda ng init natin today. Mag-isang kuan. Mag-isang aalis inyong inday. Mag-isa akong umalis. Ay, anong tamang grammar? Kailangan mag-unta yung aircon. Patay! Si Wayne, gilag. Aligsan ako ang kuan. Nakuan. Napisot ang among bin. Kailangan kong mag-reverse. Islat. Naligsan ako. Hindi ko alam. Diyan pala si Wayne nagkuhan. Honey! Si Wayne hindi happy. Honey! I didn't know it's in front. Hindi siya happy. Look. Is it broke? We have to order new one. Hindi siya natuwa sa akin dahil. Galit siya dahil. Honey, don't you think that's a bad start? Oh, it's Friday the 13th lagi. Ano dito? Friday the 13th. But ma-upload ko ito late na. Uy. Akala ko galit siya. Hindi pala, tumawa lang siya. Sabi ko, how did you know? Sabi niya, narinig na daw. Diyan na pala nilagay sa harap ng aking sasakyan. Di, go ba? Unyan ako mag-vlog no. Kay nga no, mahadlo ko kay Friday the 13th. Kailangan natin mag-ingat. Kulbaan ako. Uy, abi na kung naunsan ako. Dito na ako. Maguha lang ako nitong noodles. Teka lang. Uy, lami magkuan oh. Magsarap sana Ay, tawag anak. Suman. Ay, suman. Ginignit. Unsan ni siya? Uy, intestine. Sa unsa? Manok. Frozen duck. Ay, duck pala. Siwit. Grabe man akong experience. Uy. Na, dali-dali ko. Ay, naguri ako kay Jack. Tapos doon ako sa runabout. Batuan. Kita mo kusog kayo. Lami, juga ay mga waivas dalan ba? As in, unang beep nila, ganon, beep. Tapos, pagka lapit na nila sa akin, serbato naman yung grabe paprulong talaga, ganon. Sa isip ko, beep ko din sila, na ganon-ganon pa sila sa akin. Beepers, bitaw kay makakuan din, makadepress siya, para magbalik-balik sa imong ukok ba, na-disturb talaga ako today, parang nasira talaga yung aking araw. Sabi ko kayo, nasira talaga yung aking araw. Ay, anyways, namili pala ako nito. Happy pa naman ako doon kay yung owner ng Asian shop. Siya yung nag-serve. So, binigyan niya ako ng ito. Yan. Sabi niya, libre daw yan sa akin. Happy ako niya. Nasira ang araw ko dahil lang sa mga taong walang kuan. Wala bitaw mga manners and right conduct. Oh. I hate beepers good ay. As in. Dito kasi hindi normal. Pagserbatuan ka. Parang kuan ba, makadisturbo gid siya sa atin Pilipinas. Okay lang man. Dito kasi hindi. Ito yung pinambili ko. Na mga kay Wayne ito eh. Paborito ko ni Wayne. Ito seaweed kay Jennifer to. Tapos nabili ako nitong pair. 2 pair. Okay. Tapos nabili ako nito. Ayan, nagaraya. Ang sarap ng nagaraya. Yan lang. Tapos puro na noodles. Ayan, ang dami kong noodles binili. Kay pag magutom, noodles yung madali-dali. I think ito is Thailand to galing. Ayan oh. Sumtam ata yan. Ay, sumtam. Tom yan. Ang dami ko palang sinuha. Uy, ayan pa oh. May mga gamis. Mga 5 gamis ko eh. Nandun. Paborito nila yan eh. Ni Jessica at Jenny. Tapos ito eh. Fridge ko lang yung kuan. Nagbili din ko aning tanglad. Tanglad. Ito dayon, kaldereta. So, nakasave ako nito kay sabi ng owner. In the bed. Maoras to. Nakuan ako to din. Sira yung aking araw for today video. Bahala sila eh. Hindi ko talaga sila tinignan kasi the more mo ipakita na wala kang pakialam, the more sila magalit. So, yun yung revenge sa akin. Yun yung revenge ko sa kanila. Wala. Hindi talaga ako nagkuhan. Parang feeling ko wala lang nangyari. Hindi ko sila tinignan. Wala. Drive lang ako. Straight. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Have you noticed it begins with B?
Yeah.
Beepers and bashers.
They're just the same, no?
Yeah.
It plays in your mind.
Beepers and
Beep,
bashers.
beep. Jack, Jack. Are you gonna beep, beep, Jack? Mag-try si Jenny's kanyang cardigan. Dali. Dali, okay. Nice ang view. Oy, nice ang view. Panty, nagkuan. Here ka, nice ang view. There, kay is nice view. Sige. Try it on. Ito, try. Try natin si Jenny. Dali, dayon. Dali, ba kayo mag... Allah, she's like KJ lagi ni honey. Oh. Wow. Look, it's too big, honey. See? It's too big. Lang. Honey. Okay, inside. Okay, here. Sige, try it on.
See, she's big.
Is she?
She's 4, she's got a 5 to 6 cardigan.
Oh yeah, she is big. You're bigger than JJ? Way! Jessica Lawless. Ay, Jennifer. Sorry. Jennifer, di ay. I'm used to seeing Jessica.
Don't say Jessica, does it?
Jennifer. Ooh, Jennifer. Going school. Say thank you, Daddy. Hello, Jack. Where are you going? Asa ka madtudong? Close natin to. Dito kami sa sasakyan na bigay ni Daddy kay ang atong akin oh. Kay ganina, murang happy ko mabangga. Hala, dito ako nanibago ako nitong sasakyan na maliit. Maganda itong sasakyan ni Wayne. Mababa pero maganda. Honey, you know? I like your car. It's nice.
You swapped. This
Yeah?
is your car.
See, because the camera can go. It's flat. Hot no? What happened? Is it? His hair though is blowing away. Where is he? I can't see him. Can you video him?
His hair blowing away.
Video mommy and daddy. Video. you look so serious lagi today. What's in your mind?
My eyes.
Kanina pa to umaga pa lang ba?
My one eye here is all puffy and swollen.
Is it?
Sucks.
Oh,
You touch it there, see it?
red.
Hay fever. I think that's because I've been rubbing them. I don't know. But my eyes are like making me feel uncomfortable.
Hmm?
And
Ay, grabe yung taga-video namin, no? Okay, done now. Thank you.
Is it not a,
Did you do it right?
Is there a red light up there, Mother?
Yes. Yeah. Grabe man ito siya makadrive. Oy, mura magnagkuan.
Am I gonna sit on that?
Mag-racing me. Yeah.
Am I too close to the car? Sorry there, isn't it?
That's the house, honey, for sale. That's okay. Yeah, it's fine. We're just a bit early. Hello, Jack! Hello, Jack! Sleepy si Jack. Ala, katulgon man ito siya, oy. Inaantok man ang aming bata. Ha? 3 o'clock baya siya magdidi. Unya, asan ko yan ipadidi pag magutom. Jenny, I don't need a raincoat, no? Do you think I need a raincoat? I know. I'll just bring it then.
Yeah, I can't get the car.
I'll just take this later now. Yeah. Hello, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Jenny.
Sorry?
Yeah, it's the bird thing. You have to wait, Jenny. We're sorting this one first. She can't wait. We're here. Baklay-baklay. And yung Inday, nagtulak-tulak kay Jack. Si Jack nandito sa loob. First time ni Jessica ito ma-experience na nandito yung kanyang daddy. Magtingin sa kanya ng sports day. Unay tao.
She just ignored us.
No, she waved.
Oh, did she?
Yeah. Jenny! You watching JJ Sports Day? You'll be here soon, Jenny.
Just a few ground rules before we start. We are more than happy for you to shout for your lovely children. Please can we just ask that you stay behind the bus? If there's something wrong, just contact one of our amazing members of staff who will come over and support you. We're hoping to be done at home time. If that's the case, we will line the children up in front of you. Please don't move again, don't come past the barriers. Our lovely staff will come off the rest there and take them with you. If for some reason we finish it, let us know.
Nagbaklay ako kay akala ko ito didiri na siya. Pagdating ko dito sa kyan ni Wayne, hala, natulog man siya balik. Imbis manood pa ako ng esports din ni Jessica. Naghagok na si Jack. Saan naman ni siya, oy? Agoy kaluoy ng papa nagsungay kay Jenny. Hi! Did you enjoy? Yeah, you got 2. Wow, you have the first. What is that?
Mommy, I have one more, but
Jessica come first in the egg and spoon race.
Really?
I was amazed.
I didn't see
They all
that.
kept dropping the eggs, she never.
I didn't see
She had
that.
balance, you know, you got a
Did you
balance.
video?
No.
No.
and Daddy
You put that in the car?
bracelet.
That's good. Good job,
Daddy-
JJ.
Daddy bracelet
Did you?
for Father's
She got my Father's Day present.
Did she?
Yeah,
Where is it?
in my pocket.
What is it? Oh wow! Oh jeez! Best dad ever. Was you emotional then?
Oh, Jack's inside.
Yeah.
Can you climb over the seats?
Wait there, wait there. The lock is on.
Can you go in the front, JJ? Climb
That's so
over?
nice, JJ. That's the 2 pound that she bring
Yeah,
today.
she spent it on me.
Show it.
I can't wear that, can I? I'm going to have to put it in the cabinet.
You should have, yes.
I have to keep it.
What? Okay.
Stressed out with the traffic.
Wait, Jack is here. I'll get him now.
He's in the car, is he?
Yes.
I nearly folded it.
Hoy! He's still inside.
Oh,
See?
I thought he was in the car.
Now
So I
he's
didn't
too
open the door.
hot.
I thought I was going to fold it then.
It's too hot.
Can I
Dito ako sa Morrison. Pumili ako nito para sa mga bata. Ito mas maganda yung date. Okay, tara. Ito lang naman, cabbage at saka itong pasty. Tara na! Bayad lang ako kay iniwan ko lang si hala 2414 again. Oh. Bilhan ko na naman si Wayne yan next time. Go there, anak. I'll just transfer the phone. No, it's that thing. The raincoat is here. It's not gonna rain. Huh? We take Jack. Yeah, she's leaving it, honey. We take Jack. Sorry? It's not. It's this thing, the car.
Alright.
Is it raining? Is that rain, honey, or the car? This one. Yeah, he's okay. I'll just lock him. He's still sleeping. Thank you, honey. You eat, huh? Yeah, thank you. Hold sa this one, babe. Unsa naman ka diha, Jing?
You tell me to hold it. Is it on?
Huh?
Is it on?
Yeah. Uy, baliktad ba din na siya? Where's daddy? Say bye-bye to daddy. Tanawa mi. Biyaan mi. Bye-bye. Let's go na. La, I hope hindi ulan, nak. Nak, maybe taga na rin. You don't say bye-bye, daddy, oh.
What happened?
He didn't stop for him. Doon kami sa school. Balik kami sa school. Kaya medyo maaga si Jessica natapos sa kanyang sports day. At ngayon, meron kaming lakad. Forever and ever, lagan inyong Inday Ilgin. Lang na. Are you happy?
Mommy, when I done the egg and
Sorry.
spoon,
Did you win?
I win.
Yes, that's good.
And when I was nearly to the end, I had some drop, but
Yeah,
I was
that's okay. Wait then,
I was quick.
because he was quick.
Where's the sticker you gave me?
Where's the sticker you
I
give?
think
Where did you put it, Jenny?
no, I give it to Daddy, and then I think he still got it.
All right.
It's in the pocket. Is that here?
Yeah.
Where?
I hope si Jack hindi mag-iyak kayo. Naglalakad pa yung taon kami. Si Jenny, walang pakialam.
Could be well.
Hala, sige, go, Inday Jenny. Sige, nak. Let's go. Do you wanna eat ice cream?
No, I have ice cream
That's
when
alright.
in the canteen.
That's okay. Do you want to eat ice cream, Jenny?
Yeah.
Only 2, okay? If you can't finish it, just give it to mommy. It's there. We go there. Magbaklay na holding hands. Go first, babe. You go first, anak. It's quite busy. Magkuan. Na si Karen diha nag ice cream. Nagpalit og ice cream. Gitawagan ako siya. Naa daw siya dito. Kay kanina pa pala sila naghintay doon o sa gate. Main gate. Nagbili ng ice cream. So, bili din kami ng ice cream para kainin ko itong dalawa. Nagkaon naman ni sila pasti. Kaya di ba pumunta ako ng Morrison's. Kumain na ito sila ng pasti. Hala, taasa pa man sa linya. Taas pa man eh. Daghan customer ko ng ice cream. Kay daghan kay naglinya. Unya, mahal ba kay nilang ice cream ay? Pero masarap. Is he still sleeping?
Yeah.
Yeah? Naara, mga customer sa ice cream. Uy, Mercedes, manday na iyang kuwan. Tanawa. Day, tanawa yung... Ay, si Sebastian na. Si Jenny, nga na po na taon-taon. Are you excited to eat your ice cream? Yeah? No? Day, nakadaog siya, Day.
Wow!
First siya dito sa kuan, spoon. Na, chocolate you want like that? Yeah?
No, the same as last time.
Same as last time, okay. Ingana. Patay. Tay, ingana na siya, Day. Ulaw. Hi, which one you want? Ano sa kay ingana na din?
Single with plate.
Single with plate, please. Three. Uy, patay. Nag-order tag palit-palit tag ice cream. Oh.
Pag-istorya, day.
Chocolate? Yeah? Chocolate raday. Yeah, I'm buying you. It's not this one. Which is the wrong date.
I love ice cream.
You want some?
No, I don't like that. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice weekend.
An, kamera.
Naunsa man ay natuwad.
Nagtuwad ni. Pero, anak man gud na. Order ta ice cream. Mamanday na ko ang video.
Kailangan pa. Hello guys. Kami din lang sa ice cream. What? Nagapela-pela na sa Monday, but they cover sa
Mag-apil tayo.
Kalagsara mga minsan lang ang summer dito.
Splash dai. Kanang drink ba?
Lamig yan.
Kana? Baklay na tata.
Wala kayo si Jack, kaya wala ka kaon.
Eh, papuin na dai. Uy, lami no? Lami ka ilang ice cream guys.
Full kayo siya og gatas, dili siya daghang ice. Ano? Hindi ko kapulan yun.
Kalit pa.
Kabalo ka?
Kanina kagitag nipon?
Pili. Dili day magpa-renovate sa
Bahal man diri uy, bati pag yun. Hi. Gipangkapoy ang mga dagway day. Diri ang rugby na mo sa una oh. May mo kadoon mo diri sa rugby. Dili uy kani ba murag farm sa Philippines. Danamig Pilipinas guys. Ako mo ni ang nabili namin na bagong lupain ni Karen amin ipakuan ba. Kay patayuan namin ng bahay. Gipakuan namin, gipahinluan. Bago naming inangkon. Hello guys, nagluto kami ng bacon ni. Oh, okay ra mag-good.
Di ka na chika-chika, magunta na kung ano ka.
Uy, ati man na sa siya.
Ayun, hindi ko kitigong na nasuwa.
So, baka hindi ninyo na-get yung aking definition sa paalam ni Mister. Yung paalam ni Mister, ka paalam kami, kaya napapunta kami doon kay Karen. Sa baapod kayo, oy. Nagpunta kami doon, kaya nagdanding-banding kami. O, kagimingaw na kami sa isa't isa ba. Matagal lang kami hindi nagkita-kita. Sa mukha, o, naghanag sa mukha. Oh, that's very nice. Tapos, doon, nasaya-saya kami. Si Mr. naman, napunta doon kay Bayaw, kay meron siyang Phoenix. At si Bayaw naman sabak kayo, no? Nag-record ko din niya. Sabak kayo, kanang bito, ma-voice over ka. Niya, grabe ang saba-saba. Mayroong mga kuan-kuan doon, mga... I'm voice over ba? Noon siya naman mo, oy. Napay TV naka-on, napay mga kuan. Oh, mao na to akong explanation. Baka hindi naman nag-gets na ang aking title ha. Paalam lang good kami. Oy, kaya nagpaalaman kami sa kanya kay pumunta man kami doon sa aming kaibigan.